Hi guys, welcome. Alpha Wolf here. Today's video is going to be a very interesting video, a very amazing one. I'll be talking about ChatGPT and how you can use ChatGPT 24 hours round the clock, right? Without having all the ChatGPT is at high capacity now, please check back later, and all those kind of issues. I'm going to be showing you how we can fix this once and for all. Trust me, at the end of this video, you will realize that this is one of the best video you've watched concerning ChatGPT. But before then, for those of you that don't know what ChatGPT is about, ChatGPT is currently the biggest AI tool in the world, the biggest artificial intelligence tool in the world. It was developed in November by OpenAI, and ChatGPT has been able to attract millions of users daily. Like what ChatGPT does is it is more like a conversational AI that answers every question you have in a very easy and understandable way, like very simple, right? For those of you that don't know about ChatGPT, yeah, you can go on the official website on ChatGPT. Just go on Google search, go to openai.com and ChatGPT. Then you're going to see the official website of ChatGPT. You can sign up and create your account. However, if you have a ChatGPT account and maybe when you try to log in, you see this kind of error that ChatGPT is at capacity right now. You know, get notified when we are back. Then they begin to share you jokes or inspirational stuff to make you not, you know, be angry or stuff like that, and you want to fix this. That is what this video will be focusing on. So if you see this error, most of the time they recommend you to get the ChatGPT Plus subscriber. Like, you can pay for the premium ChatGPT. That server is not loaded as the general one. So with the ChatGPT Plus, you will be able to access ChatGPT, but the only difference is that if you're using the ChatGPT general, once the server is loaded, is crowded, and that is what happens almost every day, you will not be able to use ChatGPT until the traffic on that server reduces, right? So I'm going to be teaching you how you can use ChatGPT 24 hours round the clock, and trust me, this method works. Let me show you a proof first. I've been using this. You can see I've been using this, and I'm going to tell you how this one works. Now you go to this website, platform.openai.com/playground, platform.openai.com/playground. This is totally free. Now this platform.openai.com/playground is an API that is built with the exact API of ChatGPT. So you can actually do everything and anything you can do on ChatGPT on this particular platform. The beautiful thing is that a lot of people are not using this. This is totally for free. The only difference is that you know, the interface, the design is different from the ChatGPT design. This one looks a little bit kind of ugly, right? But ChatGPT looks finer than this. However, it is exactly the same thing. So let's say we want to search for something on this platform.openai.com/playground. You can search for what is, let's just ask the question, what is the fastest way to make money online, right? Question mark. You search for it, then you will scroll down. You're going to see the submit. You click on the submit. The answers are exactly the same thing. Maybe the display might be slightly different, but this works perfectly. Let's click on submit. You're going to see that this thing works, and it is totally for free. There is no network issue, there is no downtime, there is no problem. Once you have your internet, you begin to get answers to your question. So you can see this. Say the fastest way to make money online is to start and monetize a blog. You can also offer freelance service on marketplaces, websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Other ways to make money online include taking surveys, selling items on eBay, Etsy, and participating on online focus group. Can't you see that this is very easy? Like, this is very simple. Let's ask another question. Okay, so how can I start a blog, right? It is going to answer your question very easily. How can I start a blog? Now you're going to click on submit, and you're going to watch it generate the answer almost immediately, right? So look at it. It has started writing already. It's as simple. If you want it to write more, you can still request for it to write more. Look at this. See, starting a blog is relatively easy and straightforward. The first step is to choose a blogging platform. Some popular options include WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. Once you choose a platform, you need to purchase a domain name and hosting. After that, you can begin designing and customizing your blog. If you want it to generate more, totally different from what it wrote the first time, and you can go on to, if you want it to write more, like maximum length, you can increase it from here. If you want it to write more sentences and stuff, you can increase it here. So basically, this is how this thing works, right? So if you want it to even write a code, it can write a code. You can see how you use this very easily. Like, I've used it to search for how can I write a blog, and it gave me answer, and I said I wanted it to generate another answer, and it gave me another answer. So basically, this is how you can use ChatGPT totally for free, and you would not even spend a dime. It will always work 24 hours around the clock, and this is the method that will save you from all the issues of, oh, the server is crowded, the traffic is too much, and stuff like that. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you find this content helpful, there are tons of videos I can also do to teach you a lot of things that can help you better your life and improve the quality of your life, right? And also teach you to make money online. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are currently 17,000 subscribers. Help me to grow my channel to 20,000. Turn my bell post notification on. If you cannot hear me clearly, I am having issue with my voice, so I'm struggling to speak. My voice is I am having issue with my voice basically. So just manage this video. In my next video, I hope I'll be feeling much better. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out.